Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk on a fairly unexplored trend, desaturated UI. And as usual, we will be judging it, checking the pros and cons and bombarding you with some great examples of the same. So let's not waste our time and welcome to accessibility, check. Visual hierarchy, check. Use cases.
What? Wait a minute. Who are you?
Not for every use case, guys. How it's done is basically by not converting your wireframes to UI. Just kidding. It's by keeping it black and white or grayscale with a single color highlight. As you can see the crispness of the single highlighted color in this example. And in all the cases, the supporting UI is desaturated as well. Font play is the key. Use some big, bright, bold fonts and highlight those by ample of white space. Wait, what more do you have anyways? Before we proceed, please kill the like button for good design's sake. Let's roll on to the fun part.
Yeah, boy.
Some of the goods. In the world full of refraction and reflection and lights and color theory, be different. Great accessibility, prominent focal areas can be done by colorblind person. Oops, I'm being too honest here. So let's check some negative points as well. In the world full of refraction and reflection and light and color theory, support one another.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Can get boring after a while. Need great illustrations to support and keep it interesting. So we feel it's nice for now. We believe that this trend can last and some good examples can sustain in longer run, especially when it comes to specific use cases like this one, the flight ticket app. Also, we liked few other examples and a micro interaction accompanying it. So if you like this page, please subscribe, post your feedback or nominate some new reviews in comment section below. And be judgmental, stay judgmental and press the bell icon.